partnership between the Law Society and the 5 CDCs has grown from strength to strength. Since September last year, more than 60 law firms and 280 volunteer lawyers have come on board to provide free legal advice at the various community legal clinics. And with their help, we are progressively serving more residents. Some 3,000 residents are expected to attend and benefit from the various events in terms of the level of understanding and awareness of legal issues. And this Law Awareness Week is just one milestone in what will hopefully be a long and fruitful relationship, bringing pro bono assistance and legal awareness island-wide.
We have 30 law talks already in the pipeline, and they'll be organized in island-wide for all 5 districts. Residents can also choose from a customized menu of 22 topics and subtopics on family law, end-of-life issues, consumer protection, and so forth.
Very beneficial to the residents, particularly to the older residents who are maybe perhaps have their basic fear of like entering a lawyer's office, or maybe because they can't afford the lawyer's services. And awareness, I think, is important because many a times when they come to a crux of problems, they are lost. And at that time, they may not even think well. So I think it's good to be like, I won't call it armed with full knowledge, but at least they're armed with some knowledge of where they can go to in time of help.
It is beneficial because I think knowledge is important. To know about what's affecting them, what is important to them is important. They can find out for themselves, like for example, doing a will, for example, right? Or how to do an end-of-life matters, probate matters. It's important for them to know, to ask questions and to find out so that they can handle their own affairs and their and their family affairs a lot better.
I think it's also great that it's happening on such a large scale. I think this is the first time it's spanning across like all the CDCs, right? And there's so many talks and it's so many topics. And the fact that these topics were topics that were gathered from the ground, what people wanted to know, and it reaches out to so many people. And that's what I think is great about Law Awareness Week.
It's good for us to take every opportunity that we can have to give back to the community and to serve others as well. And I think both SMU and NUS are very happy to serve the community, and we've always been partnering each other in helping others. And I think there is great strength in unity as we serve the community together.
There will be a spread out of the awareness being created in all the different areas of Singapore. A lot of people may not know or be aware that they can seek legal help. So if you spread it out, that makes it easier and also is more accessible.
It's very beneficial for our residents actually, because partly our residents, they don't know anything about law, and they can learn quite a number of things there.
I think that they will have a broad legal awareness and just, at least be aware that this is a legal issue, I mean, some people, they will go in and they feel that, there's a terrible problem for them, but they don't actually realize what they can do about it, or it doesn't quite click that it is a legal issue for them. So I think the talks will give a very broad understanding of, say, estate planning or matrimonial matters, adoption or consumer protection laws, so that they just, it clicks for them.
Well, for me, I'm a big advocate of pro bono services. Whether is it to represent underprivileged people in court cases, or is it to render free legal advice at the community level, because I think a law, just like medicine, when it is an exclusive knowledge. So with exclusive knowledge, I believe you shouldn't use it to enrich yourself. You should actually use it to benefit the community at large.